Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn exactly how to import a JSON file in n8n. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with manually managing your workflow processes, today's video is just what you need. Importing a JSON file into n8n can not only streamline your tasks, but also enhance the efficiency of your automated workflows. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make your workflow management a breeze. To begin with, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are a fan of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, it really doesn't matter. The important thing is to have a browser that you are comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, navigate directly to the official n8n website. n8n is a robust tool designed for automating workflows, providing an excellent interface for importing and managing your data effortlessly. Once you reach the n8n website, make sure you have your login credentials ready. If your session isn't active, logging in first will save you time and hassle down the line. Now, once you're logged in, the next crucial step is to locate the workflow editor. This is essentially the core space where all the magic takes place. It's where you can visually map out and organize how different parts of your workflow communicate and interact with each other. If you're already working on a specific project, you can open the editor for that particular project. However, if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new project. This will serve as the destination for your JSON file and as the blueprint for your future automation endeavors. Now that you have the workflow editor open, direct your attention towards the top navigation bar. You'll notice a variety of icons and options. The one you should focus on has 3 simple dots, an icon that indicates more options. Click on this icon to reveal additional functionalities that n8n offers. This is a vital step because these functionalities allow you to extend and enhance the way you interact with your workflows. After clicking on those 3 dots, a menu will appear. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Import from File. Selecting this option is a clear indicator to n8n that you're prepared to bring a new set of instructions into your workflow environment. These instructions are embedded within your JSON file. As you proceed through these steps, it's important to remember that importing a JSON file does more than just transfer raw data. It enriches your workflow with the potential to enhance automation and data handling capabilities. Importing JSON files is also a practical method for sharing workflows across different instances of n8n, making collaboration much more efficient. A prompt will likely appear asking you to choose the file from your local directory. Ensure your JSON file is easily accessible and complies with any specific format guidelines provided by n8n. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, you've successfully integrated a JSON file into your n8n workflow setup. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to import JSON file in n8n, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Keep exploring and automating with confidence.